welcome to class 7 subject mathematics chapter integers, and it's me MD Altaf Hussain. Today's topic is modulus of an integer. Modulus of an integer. Second topic is distance between the 2 points. So first we will learn what is modulus. We denoting modulus by this symbol where a is an integer, and it's defined that it will be a when a is positive, when a is positive number, positive integer, and it will be minus a when a is negative integer. So now example, if you put -7, then which one we have to take? We have to take minus of -7, this one, this definition we have to take, and this will give +7. If you put +7, so we have to take the first one. When a is positive integer, then we have to write only the integer. If it is negative integer, we have to write one minus sign first, then the negative integer. So this way we will get the modulus value. So if question may be like this also, that -7 plus 7 and -7 plus 14 will be what? So this will be 7 plus 7 minus 7 plus 14. 7 cancel, 21 will be the answer. Next is distance between the 2 points. How do you define this? Let A and B be 2 points at distances A and B respectively from the origin. Then we define AB distance equal to mod A minus B. It means distance always will be positive number. Now properties of division of integers. So what are the properties of division of integers? So first property is, if A and B are integers, if are integers, then A plus B is not necessarily an integer. So example, suppose 16, A equal to 16, B equal to 5. Oh sorry, this is division symbol. a divided b is not necessarily an integer. So a is 16, b is 5, then a divided by b, that means 16 by 5 is not an integer, is not an integer. Second property, if a is an integer and a not equal to 0, then a divided by a divided by a will be 1. Suppose example 5 divided by 5 always will be 1. Third property, if a is an integer, then a divided by 1 always will give that integer. Example 7 divided by 1 always will give us 7. Fourth number property, if a is an integer and a not equal to 0, then a 0 divided by a always will be 0, but 0 a divided by 0 is not defined or not meaningful. Next we will see property 5. If a, b, c are integers, then a divided by b divided by c will be not equal to a divided by, will not be equal to a divided by b divided c unless c equal to 1. So take one example, a equal to 8, b equal to 4, c equal to 2. So 8 divided by 4 12 भाग or division 2 will give us 2 divide 2, that means 1, but a divided by b divided c will give us 8 divided by 4 divided by 2, that is 8 divided by 2, that is 4. So therefore 8 divided by 4 divided by 2 is not equal to 8 divided by 4 divided by 2, where 4 2 in first bracket, here 8 4 is in first bracket. So now we will see property 6. Property 6, if a comma b comma c are non-zero integers and a greater than b, then a divided by c greater than b divided by c, where c, if c is positive integer, if c is positive. So one example we can take. Example, suppose a greater than b, 7 greater than or 14 greater than 6. 14 greater than 6 or 27 greater than 9. Now 27 divided by 3 greater than 9 divided by 3, because this will give us 9 greater than 3. So this property hold. Now second one is a, if a greater than b, then a divided by c will be less than b divided by c if c is negative. Negative integer. So therefore, take one example. Suppose 15 greater than 10. Now we are dividing 15 divided by -5 will be less than 10 divided by -5. Check them. So this will give us -3 and this will give us -2, and we know that if negative is smaller then it will be bigger. So this property is hold here. Now we will see exercise 1c. Exercise 1c, 1 number. Divide 0 by -31. So 0 by any integer equal to always 0. Since we know 0 divided by any integer a always gives 0. Next, if we have to divide -63, divide -63 by 63. So this will give us -63 divided by 63, that is -1. This is the answer. So if we divide -8 by 1, so this will give -8 divided by 1, that means -8. Next question is fill in the blanks. One number is 72 divided by dash equal to give -4. So for this type of problem, whatever two numbers will be there, that one, if this is the number and we have to find out this one, so that means we have to divide 72 by this number. So 72, suppose this is x, so we can solve by this way also. So here x will be 72 by -4. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 eights are 32. That means -18. So our answer will be -18. Next, if question is like this, that what we have to divide by -4, that will give as a result 24. So suppose this number is x. So the solution we have to write x divided by -4 equal to 24. Now x by -4 equal to 24. So x will be equal to 24 into -4. That means 16 minus 96 is the answer here. Now another question we will see, question number 3. One more example we'll take. Suppose this one we have to find out. We don't know what is there, so we will assume this one is x. So 1 by x equal to minus 1. So therefore x equal to 1 by minus 1. That means minus 1 is the answer. So thank you. Have a nice day.